Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for August 24th through September 7th. First of all, we're going to take a quick look. This is what's going on in the tropics. August has really, after getting a slow start, has really picked up. Look at this map. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, Emily's going to be dying out soon. It's post-tropical. And then we have another one here. But this one's expected to be short-lived, but we'll go over that more in detail later. But this hasn't happened in quite some time where we have this many storms in the Atlantic. But look where they are. This is where they should be this time of year from here. You know, this is where most of our activity has come from so far during this hurricane season. Okay, we're going to get to the forecast. This is for the period October 24th to 28th. And you can see we still have this strong ridge here over a large portion of the country. And we have a trough here along the west coast and over the northeast. Now, eventually, as this trough digs southward, it will push this ridge to the south and then to the southwest. And that's where much of the heat will be going on. At the surface now we go. We will have a couple fronts be moving through the northeast. This will bring showers and storms. That was one here. Then we have another one coming through. And in the Four Corners region of the Rockies, monsoonal moisture will bring rain and storms. You can see here across this area, widespread rain and storms that can bring potential for flash flooding. Okay, look at the period now for October 29th through September 2nd. The pattern becomes more amplified. This trough kind of sinks further to the south. They have below normal heights here. This is our ridge now more to the west and southwest. And we also have a trough here over the northeast. And we still have a ridge covering a large portion of the country. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here. And I'm calling for anomalies to be 2 to 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast here. And anomalies are forecast to be 4 to 8, maybe even higher across this area here. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for much of the East Coast and the Southeast. Probability of occurrence near 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation for this region, the Plains and the Mississippi Valley. And the probability of occurrence is near 35%. Looking at the period now for September 3rd to the 7th, and the flow becomes a little more flatter. We still have troughingness remaining across the northwest here and in the east. We have nearly zonal flow here across the northern states, and here's our ridge we still have covering the southern states. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for a little change in the temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, I'm calling for above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Okay, we're going to take a look at the tropics now. Okay, here's our storms. It doesn't show 9. Oh, there's 9. We have 9, Franklin, Gert. This is where it's supposed to go off here. So far, the only one that would be affecting land at this meeting is Franklin, maybe, and 9. It depends how that develops. Okay? And then we have Gert. It looks like it might track up to here. Emily will be dying out pretty soon, but it's heading northward over the Central Pacific. We'll take a look at the satellite images. Here's 9. There's Emily. Let me see, I got to go back. Can't remember where these are. Here's Franklin. What's the other one? Oh, and Gert. Oops. And Gert is over here. So we have a lot of activity to be going on. This one will bring probably heavy rain to South Texas. And then we'll take a look here. Now we'll take a look at the models and we'll see what they're saying. We're going to take a wide view of all of them. Okay, so remember where the storms are. Here, here's one, and here's one. Okay, and here's what's left of Emily up here. So this is a GFS. This one looks very interesting. It comes very close it comes close to the East Coast, but still far enough to keep us out of harm's way. But it looks like it'll hit the Maritimes, shipping lanes of Canada, and then it goes in. Then we have the other one, Gert. And it looks like we have another one developing here. This one might affect the Caribbeans. And then this one cuts across Florida and into the Gulf of Mexico. And we'll see what's left of this. Just a couple of those down there. Oh, wait. I just saw a system down here going into the Gulf here. So there's a lot of activity to be going on. This is what the model shows. This is the GFS. We'll take a quick look at the European. We'll see what if it loads fast enough. Okay, here's our systems. They're all riding around the periphery of the large ridge out here. This one here looks like it might affect the southeast. We'll see. Okay, it stays offshore, but it comes close enough to the Outer Banks, the outer windshield, the rain. They might get a little rain from that, but it's a little further to the east. But then it keeps it more out of the ocean, and then out into the shipping lanes of Canada. Okay, so that's the long range weather forecast discussion for August 24th through September 9th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.